Live from New York, I'm Bonnie Quinn.
And from London, I'm Guy Johnson. This is Bloomberg Markets. Vonnie, let's go to Chicago now. It is time for Futures in Focus. Joining us, Scott Bauer from Prosper Trading Academy. Simple question. What was the reaction up there in Chicago to the payroll number?
You know, it was pretty muted down here on the floor. However, I will tell you there's a lot of skeptics. And I say that because, you know, the market rallied off of the pre-market down that we had seen. And it's kind of a catch-22, Guy, right? You know, we've got bad news, or not horrendous news, but the payrolls were a little light. August was revised down. So, you know, those are negative numbers on top of the negative numbers we saw earlier in the week. Yet the market is taking that, at least for now, as a good thing because it's increasing the probability that the Fed is going to lower rates. I think there's a huge disconnect there.
Do you not think that October's a done deal? We're nearly at 90% now in terms of the probability.
Yeah, absolutely, it is a done deal. You know, just a couple days ago and last week, it was about at 40 or 50%. That is now raised up to, like you said, 90%. So not only is October a done deal, but it certainly looks like a December reduction would be in the cards as well.
How much of the manufacturing data was the big number for the week? Even the non-manufacturing ISM actually didn't produce such a big market reaction. But how important is this soft survey data? Do you think the Fed puts more weight on that now? How much attention do you think it pays to the payroll number? What's the balance?
So I think that on an individual basis, you know, the Fed maybe doesn't look at it as much as they would as a collective basis. So one number can be looked at as a one-off. However, when you start to get repeated shortfalls like we've seen this week, 3 in a row here, now that all of a sudden becomes, in my estimation, a big concern that the Fed is looking at.
Scott, thanks for your time. Great to have you with us. Scott Bauer joining us from Prosper Trading Academy out of the CME. Bonnie.